Okay, so continuing stuff from the summer work that people had questions on. Let's take a look at 63. This asks for the inverse sine of the sine of 7 pi over 6. Now, this seems like it may be a simple idea, but it's not. It's not 7 pi over 6. So 7 pi over 6 is down over here, right? I'm sorry, that's not correct. 7 pi over 6 is down over here, right? Because this is 6 pi over 6 would be pi, right? So 7 pi over 6 is here, right? So on our unit circle. This is a pi over 6 angle. Cosine is the x value, sine is the y value. So that's going to make that negative 1/2 for the y value, right? So I'm going to get sine inverse of negative 1/2, right? If you think about that, the reference angle for that is, okay, so remember that the range of the inverse sine is going to be from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, which means that the reference angle that we want is actually this one, which is negative pi over 6, because that's also going to have the sine being negative 1/2, right? So this is going to give me negative pi over 6 is my answer. Now, if I go ahead and just double check this using my calculator, if I take the inverse sine of the sine of 7 pi over 6, right? And then push enter, right? And then I figure out what is negative pi over 6. There we go. So that's why we're getting that answer. All right. So that is number 63.